Hey guys, it's Brooke here from The Vintage Gardener. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to show you a project, and I'm going to do a little bit of the talking in here because I know once I get outside you're not going to be able to hear me over the traffic. So I'm making a new barrier for the driveway. The pots that I had gotten before with the little things, it just didn't work with the casserole, so I ended up going back to using trash cans, which is not the most attractive look. So I got some stainless steel or galvanized steel stock tanks from Lowe's, and that's what I'm going to use. For the bottom, the wheel part, I actually got moving like it's like a moving dolly. It's just like a flat thing with wheels on it that can support like 1,000 pounds, which is good because once I add all the soil and stuff, it's going to be pretty heavy. So anyway, I'm going to go outside. I'm going to show you that. I'm going to do this video over a couple of days because it's going to take a while to get it done, but I wanted to show you what I have done thus far. Okay guys, so hopefully you'll be able to hear me over the cars. So this is the first one that I'm kind of started. And so what I did is I measured it out. I took this thing, the moving dolly, and I used some Gorilla Glue to secure it to this. So it's actually on there pretty good. This is the indoor-outdoor version, so it adheres plastic, metal, everything. So I did some dots on here where I'm going to use to drill holes through. The nice thing about this is when I took it off is that I saw a hole right here, and so I think that's the only one I saw. Oh, and is there one? Oh, is there one right here maybe? Oh, there's one right here there too. Okay, so I can also drill through those holes, and I'll get some lag bolts to attach to the bottom of this. And there's two on this side. So this one I've already adhered. This one I didn't adhere yet. To make sure I line everything up, I use some magic marker, on the sides so I can line it up because I already measured everything. And so basically, it's this simple, gluing thing. So hang on. This moving dolly actually had a rubber bumper. I took that bumper off because I wanted it to lay flush. So, ooh. Need to get some more of this. Okay, so there's that. And let's see if I can do this one-handed. Actually, I'm pretty sure I cannot do this one-handed. Give me 1 second. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna let that dry, and meanwhile I'm gonna start drilling the holes in the other one. Let me turn the camera. Okay guys, so totally forgot. When you use that Gorilla Glue, you have to let it cure for 24 hours. Totally forgot to do that. So as soon as I put some water on that, and I put some water on that because the drill was getting hot, it came off. So I'm gonna leave it down there. I'm gonna go, now that I've drilled the holes in it for the lag bolt, I'm just going to leave it like this, upside down. I'll get the lag bolts with some wing nuts to go through there, and then that'll really secure it on there, and it shouldn't be an issue. But if you're planning to use just glue, just remember, make sure you let it cure. And I've used this before, and I should know better. I totally forgot. Alright, I'm done. So I have basically 9 drain holes in each. There is a side drain hole, but it's up higher and I don't really want it. It's like several inches above. If we get a lot of rain, you know, I'm imagining with what I'm going to put in there, the roots are eventually going to go down that deep. I don't want it I'll unplug it for extra drainage, but I just want to make sure that the roots aren't drowning. So I'm going to go inside and see if I have any spare bolts in my toolbox that I can use, rather than having 2 on Lowe's. So I'll be back. Okay guys, oh, I realized I'm still wearing my safety glasses. Anyway, I got the one thing turned right side up, guys. It's right side up. Hang on. Okay guys, so here it is. So I put the bolts through it. I mean, they stick out a couple inches, but listen, it's not going to be sticking my hands down there. It's just going to be dirt, so it don't matter. So I'm going to actually move this out of the way so that I can depart. Hold on a second. I don't want to get my license plate number in there. And this one, oh boy. Oh, I don't know if I can squeeze through that. Just gonna, there we go. I should be able to get my car through there. Yeah, all right, I'm gonna finesse it though. Anyway, for a while in here, I just want to show you guys something. So this dead spot right there, there's supposed to be chrysanthemum. It's called Emperor of China. Guys, look. It's back there, it's spread. So I don't know why this part of it died, but it's spread back there. So this one is alive too. And yeah, I mean, it's not gonna be symmetrical with the other side, but I'm so excited that survived. So yay me.